Hi, when you're thinking about STEM education, you're thinking about the sciences, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And the best way to do it is to have the students work hands-on. And bringing students to places like the Rutherford School, you get to have them to actually do the work themselves. And really, if you're looking at wanting to operate in the sciences, then the best way to do it is to have students act like a scientist. So, STEM education.
As an educator, I would strongly recommend bringing your class here to the STEM workshop. Our class was engaged, they learned, they had fun, and they will be coming back. Thank you very much.
A really great experience, and I had a lot of fun today, building a 3D sculpture and learning how to make my own flashlight. Thank you so much.
I had fun building flashlights and the 3D sculpture upstairs. It was really fun. Thank you for having me.
I loved learning about the engineering, and I learned about all this stuff, and 3D modeling was pretty fun. Thank you for having me here. I'll tell my friends and family.